Hey guys, Realme 5 and the Realme 5 Pro are set to go official on August 20. Both smartphones will come with a quad camera setup including ultra wide angle, super macro and portrait modules. The primary sensor of the Realme was somewhat of as unknown, but the company has now confirmed that the Pro version will ship with a 48MP Sony IMX586 unit as the main sensor, making it the first quad camera smartphone in India to come with this quad bear sensor. The other specification of the Realme 5 Pro, which is surely a flagship killer, are like these. Realme 5 Pro will come with a display of 6.53 inch, which is an Super AMOLED display that gives an immersive display experience. Coming to the performance, this phone is expected to be powered by Snapdragon 712 coupled with 6GB and 8GB of RAM. Coming to the camera section, which is a USP of this phone, it will have a huge quad camera setup, and this will be 48MP primary camera plus 8MP wide angle lens plus 5MP depth sensor plus 2MP a macro sensor. So this quad camera setup guarantees you amazing picture quality. With that, you will get to see many amazing incredible camera features which you love it. And the selfie camera is of 16MP. Coming to the battery of this phone, it will have a huge 4500 mAh of battery with the Whoop charging support and come along with an 18 watt or 25 watt even. So the surprise feature that it may get maybe a wireless charging. So at the price point it is coming with, it may not be supporting the fast charging, but anything can happen at this competition level. So this is all about the Realme 5 Pro. Hope you like the Realme 5 Pro. What do you expect and what features you want to see in the Realme 5 Pro? Please comment in the comment section, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.